The food here is absolutely phenomenal. It is made with the most love you will ever receive in any meal ever, no matter where you go, 5 stars or 1 star. It is the most exquisite cuisine, designed for health, designed for you to feel good after you eat, not heavy. It's so good. I don't think I could pick a favorite meal. They've all been phenomenal.
My favorite food has been all of the food. The summer rolls are unbelievable, and every single pudding has been really, really good, and the food is like just the right portion size for being in a hot country and doing as much yoga as we've been doing. And it's just made with so much love. You can't not love the food just because it's just full of yummy, lovely energy.
The food was really amazing. I've never tasted anything like it really. I must say that my favorite dish has been the spring rolls. Those are amazing, and my favorite dessert was tiramisu.
So starting from the food is delicious. It's the best food I've ever had in my life. From breakfast, lunch and dinner, it's just so good, and it's made with so much love that you can actually taste it. So it's so beautiful. Every day was like, this is my favorite. And if I would have to choose one, it would probably be the spring rolls. I love those ones. And what else? And probably the chocolate truffles. I love those. Were just delicious.
The food at the sanctuary at Two Rivers is phenomenal, all vegetarian. My favorite dish personally was the gnocchi with balsamic dressing and fried sage. That was amazing.